Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math Help. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem square root with numbers. So here is a couple of notes I have written. The square root means 2 square root sign. This is x. We can write x to the power 1/2. That's the same thing. Also I'm gonna make one note as complex number. So I is denoted as a complex number, which is equal to square root -1. And other things I'm going to say, like if we have a square root a times square root b, we can write as square root ab. That's the same thing. We can write under one square root. So let's get started. First examples, we have square root -49. Like I said, what I'm going to do, I'm going to distribute this square root. So I'm going to write square root 49 times square root -1, because when we multiply 49 times -1, which gives us -49. This is the same thing we follow over here. So now we know 49 is 7 square, which is 49, times the square root -1, which is equal to I. So we can write I. Now you see the square, so we can write 7 square as square root sign is equal to 1/2 times I. So we can multiply these exponents. So if you multiply 2 times 1/2, these two cancel out. We have left 7 times I, which is 7I. That's our answer. Now let's see the other problems. We have the square root 45 times the square root 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the factor of 45 first. Square root 45 times square root 5. Now factor of 45, we can write 5 times 9, which is 45, times square root 5. If we have same, we can distribute the square root on the both number. You can write a square root 5 times square root 9 times square root 5. Now we bring the square root 5 both same. Square root 5 times square root 5 times square root 9. Now we know that if they have same square root sign, we can multiply this, which is the square root 5 times 5, which is 5 square. Now 9, we can write 3 square. 3 square is 9. Again, the square root sign is, like I said, this is, you can write x to the 1/2. Same way we can write 5 square 1/2 raised to the power 1/2 times 3 square raised to the power 1/2. Now we can multiply these exponents. What do we get? These two cancel, these 2 and 2 cancel out. We have 5 times 3, which is 15. So in this way we can solve it. If you want to solve it directly, we can also solve it directly. We can multiply these two, which is become 45 times 5. That's an alternative method. 45 times 5 is what? 225. 225. Now we have to find the perfect number, square number, to get the square root sign, which is 15 square. 15 times 15 is 225. And you see, this is 2 cancel out the square root, we have 15. So there is 2 alternative way. This is alternative way you can solve it. I'm just show you step by step so you're not going to confuse. So either way is going to fine. So whichever you like, you can do the same way. Thanks for watching. If you have any specific topic to cover me, please comment below. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.